powerful golden dragon, protector of the land of 1,000 legends, was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Niwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
Yeah, really scary.
Shh! What's that?
Come on, you two. Give us a break.
No, listen. I'm serious.
It's nothing. Hello? Is someone there? Show yourself. Dragon title!
Who are you?
That's for me to know, and you're about to find out. Hi! Did you see that?
The old ninja up left one too.
Yeah, all very well admiring her, but where did she go?
And what does she want with us?
Got you now, my furry friend.
Meow.
Oh, well, okay, kitty cat. Ever seen a paw like this?
Think you're pretty quick, don't you?
You can run, but you can't hide. Cat, show yourself.
You're surrounded, Cat. Come out with your paws up.
Yeah, puss.
Raindrop? Niwa? Jinho? Guys?
Yes.
What the? What was that sound?
It was freaky.
More important, where's Xiaoyan?
Xiaoyan!
She's not here.
Neither is the cat.
Something's moving along the ground. Maybe it's her. That way.
Come on.
Xiaoyan?
Xiaoyan?
Whoa!
My name isn't Xiaoyan. It's Grandma Sing, or Gran for short.
Have you seen our friend Xiaoyan?
I haven't seen anybody, but since you're here, I have some lovely items I just know you'll like. Please, try them on. They're very lucky. They'll help you find your friends. Go on.
We don't want to buy anything.
We're in a bit of a hurry.
Places to go, people to see.
We have to find our friend.
But I wasn't. I'm not a... Young people these days. Always in a hurry.
Look, there she is.
Xiaoyan! Xiaoyan!
What's the matter with her?
Why won't she stop?
Xiaoyan!
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 The flying fortress! Xiaoyan! No!
Wait, Xiaoyan!
Might have known Boo would be behind this somehow.
We've got to get her out of there.
Wait, we'll get caught too. There are too many terrorists to fight head on. We need a plan. My dear General Blue,
The name's Boo, not Blue.
may I present the first of your precious elements.
You sure she's really catatonic?
I prefer the word vampirized, but yes, she's no more than a puppet.
Boo! Tora Taito! Excellent. The wood element is mine.
You want me to lock her up, General?
No need. She's as helpless as a pussycat. Even your superfluous slug could guard her.
Does she mean me? Woohoo! My own Xiaoyan action figure. Grub says, do this. Woohoo!
Enough. Take her away.
Rob says, come this way.
So far, so good. But how do I know you can do everything you promised? After all, I'm paying big money for your services.
Try me.
Flamo, fetch the pot plant. Pot plant!
Well?
Hey, cut that out! What do you think you're doing?
Well, yourself.
Wonderful! You have indeed captured her powers as you promised.
My pleasure.
One by one, the elements will become powerless, and I will capture them all!
You lot just gonna stand there or what?
Hey, over here!
Oi, Dirtface, catch me if you can.
How about a bit of rock and roll? Well, rolling rocks anyway. Come on, no time for sitting around chatting.
Huh?
Let's get back to the fortress.
You've made a good start, but the deal we made was for all 4 elements. There's no partial payment for catching 1 or 2 of them. Just the wood element isn't nearly enough.
Rob says, clap your hands. Rob says, stamp your feet. Clap your hands. Gotcha. Grub didn't say.
They're very strong. Smart too. I caught the wood element using trickery, but they won't get fooled again that easily.
Our deal is for all of them. What are you trying to say?
To confront them directly, I'm going to need another elemental power.
What? Who? Me? Mm-hmm. No way! You tell her, General Boo.
So far, so good.
Don't worry, you funny little bundle of heat. It's not permanent. I can return you to yourself when the job's done.
How?
I just cup you up like a fur ball.
General?
Oops.
What was that noise?
I don't know, but...
Huh? What do you think you're doing?
What does it look like, General Blue?
Boo! The name's Boo!
Slug, think you can look after one more?
Woohoo! A Flamo action figure.
I didn't give you permission.
Do you want me to get the elements or not? Don't you think the chances are better now I have wood and fire elemental powers?
All right. Let's find out what's going on out there. Grub, leave them. Come with us.
Rob says stay.
Yeah.
Hey,
Release Xiao Yan now, Flamo.
face the consequences. Raindrop, you got a consequence handy? Huh? Yeah. It's like he's asleep, but his eyes are open.
Come on, Xiaoyan. Let's get out of here. Xiaoyan? Oh no, she's the same.
Thank you for making it easy by coming to me. What do you think of your wooden friend now this wonderful cat has vampirized her? Hope you like it, because now she's going to vampirize you too. Torrentido!
Torrentido! This monkey's too agile for that to work.
Xiaoyan's powers.
Look out!
Ah!
She's got Flamo's powers too!
Hey, be careful! Don't burn the place down!
Oh no, not Jinho too. And his powers.
This is too easy! Soon you'll all be mine!
Okay, so what shall we play now? I know. How about the Grub Who Would Be King?
You're outnumbered. I'm 3 elements in 1, and I have this. Oops.
What are you doing?
The window!
Now,
You fool! They're getting away!
keep a lid on it, Blue.
This is not good!
This is, in fact, bad.
Very bad!
Extremely bad.
How in the name of 1,000 legends are we gonna rescue them?
Without getting vampirized ourselves.
You!
You two should watch where you're going.
Us, you tripped us up.
I didn't trip you up. I was minding my own business digging for garlic. You ran into me.
Well, yeah, I guess we did.
Sorry.
No harm done. Where are you going in such a hurry anyway?
No time to explain. But you should look out. There's some serious stuff happening around here. Our friends have been turned into zombies.
So be careful. Goodbye.
Was there a black cat involved?
Yes.
Do you know it?
I know you think I'm a crazy little old peddler, but in fact I'm the famous vampire hunter, Gran Helsing.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Good to see you again, but...
We've got friends to rescue.
I said, Gran Helsing! And before you race off to save the day, using nothing but chutzpah, check this out.
Okay, that's, impressive.
Tell us more.
What was that all about? I thought you were meant to be able to use their powers, not get caught by them.
Quiet, General Blue. I need to learn how to use this thing.
Don't tell me to be quiet! And the name's Boo! Boo!
Yeah, whatever. Shush. I'm trying to concentrate.
And he had on his most bestest hat he had, and everyone bowed when King Grub walked by.
I've been following this vampire cat for a long time. She's the most evil, cunning, and dangerous vampire cat I've ever come across.
It's like she sucked the essence right out of Xiaoyan and Jinho.
And absorbed it, along with their powers.
That's exactly what she does. But all is not lost. We can force her to return what she has stolen.
How do we do that?
We make her cough their powers up like a fireball.
Ew, that's disgusting.
The bad news is that when she's exposed to the full moon at midnight, the cat absorbs the powers forever.
So what's the good news?
It's a lovely evening.
So, how long have we got?
Yeah, when is the next full moon?
Tonight.
Oh, no.
So, tell us how we make the cat cough.
You didn't want to listen to the crazy little old lady before, did you now? Never mind, everybody does it. What I was trying to tell you was that you need the power of my special enhanced garlic products.
Garlic?
It's the only thing that can overpower a vampire cat. And we only have a few hours to do it.
Could you stop playing with that for a minute and listen to me? Until I have all of the elements, I won't pay you a single cent. Understand, cat?
I was never in this for the money. What I really want is the same thing as you. Power.
Power? What sort of power?
All the powers! By which I mean all the powers under the sun and the moon, including the power of a Toratido master!
That's ridiculous! I'm the only Toratido master around here!
Exactly.
Whoa! No!
Did you just turn General Boo into a zombie?
You got a problem with that?
Goody! Grub says, follow me.
Have fun with them. You'll have 2 more toys to play with by midnight. Meow.
The cat has always been clever and cunning, and now she'll be very powerful as well. It won't be easy to get her to ingest some garlic.
We may not be as powerful as her now, but we're smart.
And maybe we'll be clever enough to surprise her. Yeah. 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 Huh? Gotcha, pussycat. Say, ah, kitty. Uh-oh.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. How about a snack of garlic cloves?
Meow.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Bad news. Here she comes.
And we're out of garlic!
Let's get out of here.
And King Grub got to eat all the ice cream he'd ever wanted. The end. Did you like your story? Well? Oh, you're no fun. I bet the cat is having fun. King Grub says, follow me.
This is the last of the garlic. There.
Locked and loaded.
Standing by.
Aim carefully. You have to get one in her mouth.
I'm trying.
Oh no, she's got General Boo's powers as well.
She's too quick. Gran, what else have you got there?
This is all that's left.
Now you're mine.
Oh no!
Only one more power to go. Nothing can stop me now!
Huh? Goody! Another dolly to play with.
She'll track us down with her sense of smell. There's no way we'll lose her.
I know! We have to face the cat. If we don't defeat her before midnight, the other elements will be lost forever.
The bad news is that we're nearly out of time.
Is there any good news, apart from the fact that it's a lovely evening?
No.
You carry on. I'll deal with the cat.
How? That's not possible. The cat is now all-powerful.
Power isn't everything. There's a great strength in simplicity and peaceful resistance.
No, you can't.
You have a better idea?
No, can't say that I do.
Then go. Save yourself. Rain.
Meow. Prepare to join your friends in failure.
Woohoo! A ringside seat.
Time to be zombified and lose all your powers and personality forever. Huh? What have you done to me?
Oh, I'm sorry. You don't like garlic? This is who I think it is.
Whoa, what happened?
You're back.
You leave my dollies alone!
Look, what's that over there?
Huh?
Wow, that was freaky.
Where am I?
Right where you should be. Now, what should I do with these? You don't want me to interfere with your dollies, do you, Grub?
Wait on. That's Flamo and General Boo. Here, here. I'll save you, General. You too, Flamo.
Well done, Raindrop. That was amazing. I really thought it was all over for a while there.
Me too. But, you know, if you never give up, maybe, in the end, you'll win.
This is a special garlic-infused titanium collar that will never fall off. She's so much nicer like this. Aren't you, my little darling? Time for us to go home.
Time for us to move on, too. Goodbye. Hope to see you again sometime.
Bye.
Goodbye, my friends.
I found them. Okay, you guys, get ready to... Oh, well, since it's too late to get those elements, maybe we should just play a bit longer. Bad, Flamo. It's all your fault. You let them get away. Bad, Flamo.